A very good morning to all my students. Today I am going to share with you a numerical on expenditure method. So I have already discussed with you the components of expenditure method in details, and we have talked about all the precautions required in calculation. So now let's quickly start with the formula and then see how we can solve a numerical when we are given a practical. Okay, so I am solving your practical number 27 in your books on page 4.99. reprints are there of the book, so maybe the page is a bit after or before 4.99, so just check it out in your books. Writing the formula, GDP MP is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. So this is the entire formula. Let's check out the numerical from your book. This is unsolved practicals on expenditure method. I am taking this 27 practical. Personal consumption expenditure, it is only private final consumption expenditure, so I'll put the value here. The value is 27,500. Next is government consumption expenditure, 3,000. Government final consumption expenditure, 3,000. Now gross domestic capital formation. Here it is gross domestic fixed. The word is fixed capital formation. So now I will calculate first of all gross domestic capital formation from gross domestic fixed capital formation. What is the formula? Gross domestic capital formation plus is equal to gross domestic fixed capital formation plus change in stock. This is the formula as told you earlier also. Now I need gross domestic fixed capital formation and change in stock. Change in stock is given here. Fall in stock. It means during the year the stock has reduced. So this is actually telling us a reduced value of the stock. It means change in stock is how much? Reduced it is, so it is minus 300. So we will add in this minus 300, we will get the value of gross domestic capital formation. So it is 2200. Okay, so always when the fixed is given, you add change in stock. Here it is fallen, the stock has fallen, so minus sign we have put here, 2200. So I put 2200 over here. Then net export. Net exports you get by export of goods minus import of goods. You get net export and net exports. So 450 minus 500 is how much? Minus 50. So minus 50. So I will just add the values and reduce 50. I will get the value of GDP MP here. So let's do the calculation part. 27500, 3000, 2200. How much we are getting? 32,700. Now I reduce 50 from here. 32650. So my GDP MP value is 32650 in crores. Okay, now I will calculate what is required in the practical. सबसे पहले तो आप एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड है तो जीडीपी एमपी निकालेंगे, इनकम मेथड है तो एनडीपीएफसी निकालेंगे, वैल्यू एडेड मेथड है तो जीडीपी एमपी निकालेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैलकुलेट दिस एंड देन सी व्हाट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड इन द फॉर्मूला. इन दिस फॉर्मूला जीएनपी एमपी इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, सो वी विल पुट जीएनपी एमपी on the left and what we have, we put it on the right. So we need to convert domestic into national. In the third chapter we have done this conversion. So we add NFIA, net factor income from abroad, to calculate national from domestic. So 32650 plus NFIA. What is the value of NFIA? Net factor income from abroad is minus 250. Minus 250. So how much you get? 32. So this is the calculation. I have reduced 250 from this and this is my answer. GNPMP is 32400. So my answer is also corrected, 32400. In the same way, the formula is given, the way to calculate is told to you. You can check the examples as well for better understanding, and then you can solve practical number 28. like इसको solve करिए. You can solve 29, 30. Solve these 2-3 practicals and it will help you get in touch with the formulas, how to solve them. Okay, कैसे आपको calculate करना है by using the expenditure method. Do these questions. If you face any trouble, you can always message me on my WhatsApp number and I'm always there to solve your problems. Okay, thank you class.